Hi, I'm Clement, a French musician living in Brazil, and I would like to share with you an application I made to help music bands book more gigs. I've started a few years ago two amazing bands called Bagunço and Technobrass in a very do-it-yourself style. We make our music, we promote them by ourselves, we organize our own parties, but when it comes to selling our show, well, we struggle a bit. It might depend on your popularity, but in our case, we have to contact around 20 festivals or venues before closing one deal. So in order to book a world tour with dozens of shows, we quickly ended up with incredible spreadsheets gathering hundreds of contacts, hard to actualize, hard to share with each other, and simply making it impossible to follow up the negotiation with each contact at the same time. It happened that in the same time, I had the opportunity to work as a part-time developer in a Brazilian-French company called Accretion. And there I discovered Odoo. Odoo is a very complete business management software for all kinds of companies with more than 5 million users in the world. But the best thing is that it has an open source core and a very strong community helping to maintain and expand the code. Following this do-it-yourself philosophy, I started to develop some add-ons which make it possible to manage your band booking work with the Odoo open source core. With these add-ons, you can manage your contacts' data easily, follow their qualification process before getting in touch with the decision maker. And of course, you can follow up the progress of the different negotiations thanks to a customized CRM application linked to an event app where you can understand and share easily your forecasted tour agenda. Sounds great, doesn't it? Now let's get a closer look on what it looks like. First, in the contact menu, there is a difference between festivals, venues, and normal people or companies. Each festival is related to some contacts. All the important information are displayed on the same page. And there are many options to filter, search, and find the contacts you're looking for using the native Odoo search functionalities. From a festival form, you can create a lead and follow all the mails and phone calls you have to make to go from one qualification stage to another. Of course, you can change the stage names and order if you need it, but the most important thing is to distinguish the qualification process from the negotiation itself. So once someone is officially interested in booking your band, you can convert it from a lead to an opportunity. All the opportunities are gathered in the same pipeline menu, where you can one more time filter or group them in the most different ways. The cool function I added is that each opportunity can be linked to one or more events. Each event is a potential gig with its date, hour, Facebook link, and all the useful information. And because the event is linked to the current negotiation stage, it gives a very relevant temporary tour agenda, allowing everyone to get organized with no wrong expectations. And that's it. If you're interested by these features and would like to try them, please contact me by email and I will forward you to a demo Odoo instance. Of course, if you already know how to install Odoo in your own server and would like to try these add-ons, feel free to fork my code from my GitHub repo in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as it is just the beginning of the project, let me know in the comments what would be for you the most important features to help you manage your band more easily. I hope to make more add-ons and videos in the future, so please consider subscribing to this channel and sharing this video. Thank you for watching, see you next time.